Hey everyone. If you've been trading on XM or are planning to start, you might want to know why activating Backcom XM 100% is such a smart move. There are two main reasons traders love it. First, it helps you save significantly on trading fees, up to nearly 50% per trade thanks to automatic cashback rebates. And second, it doesn't affect your trading conditions at all. Spreads, execution speed, and performance remain exactly the same. It's simply a way to get rewarded for every trade you make. To receive cashback rebates, XM 100%, traders with existing XM accounts need to open a new trading ID under financesalutes.com's IB code. I'll walk you through the registration steps for both cases, those who already have an XM account and those who are completely new to XM. If you don't have an XM account yet, getting started is quick and simple. Go to financesalutes.com and click Register. You'll be redirected to XM's official homepage. Then click Start or Open Account. Fill out the registration form with your email and password and enter the IB code in the Partner Code field. Make sure to fill in the correct code provided by financesalutes.com. Complete all required KYC verification steps to activate your account. Once verified, you can deposit funds and start trading immediately. From that point onward, cashback rebates XM 100% will automatically apply to all current and future trading IDs linked to your account, allowing you to earn daily rebates on every trade. Beyond reducing trading costs, Backcom XM 100% ensures you still receive rebates even on losing trades, providing an extra financial cushion. Registering through financesalutes.com, a VIP-level XM partner, also gives you access to deposit and withdrawal support, trading guidance, technical assistance, and market insights from experienced Backcom team members. If you already have an XM account and would like to link it to a rebate program to receive cashback, there is an important point you need to understand from the beginning. XM does not allow users to manually add or change an IB code on an account that was previously registered. Because of this, there are only two possible methods to start receiving rebates, and I will explain both clearly below. The first method, also the most recommended and the most reliable, is to open an additional trading account, sub-account. This does not affect your existing account in any way. When opening a sub-account, XM will display a field asking whether you have an IB/partner code. At this step, you simply enter the code provided by financesalutes.com. Once the new account is created, you can begin trading on this sub-account, and the cashback will automatically be calculated according to the program's rules. This is the simplest and most effective approach with nearly a 100% success rate. The second method is to request a change IB. However, XM approves only a very small percentage of such requests, usually only if the account is new, has not traded yet, or has not been funded. If you wish to try this method, you may follow the instructions below. First, send an email to XM support using the following template. Subject: Request to change IB. To support@xm.com. Message: Hello XM support. I would like to request a change of my IB for my account number. Please help attach the following IB code to my account. The code provided by financesalutes.com. Thank you. After sending the email, you simply wait for XM's response, typically within 1 to 2 business days. If XM does not approve the IB change, you will need to proceed with the first method, opening a new sub-account. Once your account has been successfully linked to the rebate system, you can trade as usual, and cashback will automatically be calculated based on eligible trades. During the process, or if you have any questions, you may send your MT4/MT5 account information to Finance Salutes, and the support team at financesalutes.com will provide detailed guidance and 24/7 assistance to ensure every step is completed quickly, accurately, and smoothly. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful trading tips and platform reviews. See you in the next video.